Introduction. The contamination of green areas at the Higher School of Music not only affects the environment, but also has a direct impact on the health, well-being, and performance of students, as well as on the educational culture of the institution. It is crucial to take steps to preserve these spaces and ensure they remain a valuable resource for both the school community and the natural environment.
The Escuela Superior de Música in Monterrey faces a significant issue with trash accumulation in common areas, impacting the institution's image and environment. This problem stems from an inefficient waste management system and insufficient trash bins. The absence of formal environmental education worsens the situation. Addressing this requires analyzing the causes and impacts to implement strategies that foster a responsible environmental culture and quality of the school environment.
Now we have the different types of pollutions. The first is the environmental pollution. It is the product of garbage caused by daily activities such as eating food or using personal items that cause waste. The accumulation and lack of control of this garbage deteriorates the appearance of the green areas. The second is the chemical pollution. It is caused by the products that contain chemicals and they can leak through the ground and cause side effects on the health of people, animals, plants, and the environment. For last, we have the water pollution. If the high school doesn't have a good quality water source or system, it could become contaminated, affecting the quality of the soil and plants in the area. And additionally, the most of contaminants do not always stain the water, making this contamination difficult to detect.
The solution hypothesis. The solution hypothesis is making a campaign that make the students wants to clean the school. The school in Maine is the University of Music of the UNL. So the purpose is that students win an FE so they can have a reward for their effort and can also reach the main objective, that is to reduce the pollution in the university. Also, one of the specific objectives is make the students wants to take care of the contamination on our community, making a fun time cleaning around the school.
First, is it important to manage waste properly? This can be achieved by placing well-in device containers to separate garbage into recyclables, organic and inorganic. In this way, we prevent waste from accumulating and damage the environment. Also, it is necessary to replace chemical cleaning products with biodegradable options. These products are safe for the environment and help protect the soil and plants from possible harmful seepage. Finally, we must monitor water quality by implementing filtration and purification systems. We ensure that the water used in these areas is clean and does not contaminate the soil or plants. These actions are not only practical and affordable, but also foster a positive environmental culture within our school community. With small changes, we can make big impact on the care of our green areas.
The results obtained after the implementation of the cover collection campaigns at the Escuela Superior de Música (UANL) were very positive. The amount of garbage and waste in common areas and classrooms was reduced, and there was activity participation by students and teachers in the garbage collection campaign. In addition, more than 2 tons of garbage and waste were collected in a single event, which represented an increase in recycling and proper waste management at the school. The campaign also had a positive impact in the environmental awareness and the social responsibility of the educational community. The campaign was expanded to other UNL high schools with the adaptation of similar initiatives. In general, the campaign was a success and demonstrated that with effort and collaboration, positive change can be achieved in the environmental and the community.
Conclusion. Pollution is one of the most talked about topics today, since without a healthy environment we can have big problems, whether mental or health. That is why it is important to implement this solution. Since this solution will help us keep the facilities of the Faculty of Music. And not only that, but it will also help us raise awareness among the rest of the students and in the same way with other people. It will also be helpful to reduce pollution in the environment.